On the My ASU Trip homepage, hover over New and click Start a Request on the quick taskbar. You can also start a new request by clicking Requests on the homepage, then clicking New Request. The Request Header tab opens with a list of fields in red which represent required information you must complete. First, create an easy-to-remember and unique name for your trip in the Trip Name field. Select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu in the Trip Type field. The Traveler Type field should be auto-populated based on the information in your My ASU Trip profile. If not, select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Enter the appropriate start and end dates for the business portion of your trip by clicking the calendar icon in the Business Travel Begin Date and the Business Travel End Date fields. To select your trip location in the Destination field, start typing a city name or use an asterisk to see a complete list of cities from which to choose. When you select your destination, you will see the Travel Risk Advisory level automatically appear below the field. Select the appropriate account for the trip expense in the Account field. If you need to search for a specific account, enter an asterisk into the field. A drop-down list will appear where you can search by text or code. You can also start typing an account name and all possible options will appear. If you have entered an account code in your My ASU Trip profile, this account will appear in the request header by default. Include the appropriate information in the optional suborg and function fields. Answer yes or no in the Does this trip contain personal travel field. Refer to details regarding the airfare quote for the business portion of your trip by hovering your cursor over the tooltip icon. Select the appropriate option for the type of your trip in the Business Type drop-down menu. The Conference Event Host field is required even if you are not attending a business conference, in which case you may type NA. Describe the reason for your trip in the Reason for Trip field, which has a 48-character maximum. The Comment field has a 256-character maximum. If you take personal days on your trip, use this field to clarify which days of the overall trip are business-related and which are not. Click Save. As long as all of the information is correct, you will be sent automatically to the Segments tab. Otherwise, you may need to update or add information before you can proceed.